Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about the Granite Vision 3.1 2 billion preview model. So this model is a compact and efficient vision language model which is designed for visual document understanding and enabling automated context extraction from tables, charts, infographics, plots, diagrams and more. The model was trained on large dataset and it can understand the image very well. I will show you the Python code example of model. So first I will show you how you can use the image and ask the model to understand the image. So the prompt is what is the image, and I am providing this dog image. This is dog 2. I am providing this dog 2 image. Let's run the model and see what it produced. So Python example.py. I am using the CPU, so it might take some time. So we will wait for the download to complete. The model has been downloaded and you can see the assistant is saying that there is a dog in the image. We are going to Now we are going to try something else. Cat. So this is the cat image and I am going to run this program on the cat image. Now run the code and see the CPU is 10% and program is going to analyze this image and tell us what is inside this image. So let's wait. The important thing here is that I am running on CPU and the memory usage is 20 GB. The model size is huge and it is using a lot of memory. So this is the cat image and let's see the output of model. The model is saying the image contains a ginger cat. Okay, so it identified the breed of cat as well. Is good. Now we will try to see this invoice.jpg, right? Now run the model. This is the invoice that we are trying to understand using the model. So let's see what model infers. Memory usage is going up because the Python is loading the model, and CPU usage will also go up. Still the model is running and it may take some time because I am using on CPU and this model may take some time because I am using on CPU and CPU will take time. So this was the image and model generated the output. It is saying the image is a simple invoice from a company named Wave Financial Incorporation. Yeah, it is written here somewhere. A Wave Financial Incorporation designed to be a professional document for billing purposes. So this model identified the invoice correctly and also summarized it. Now I am going to use a Hindi poem and see if it is working on the Indian language or not. So let's try this. The file name is hindi.jpg. I will modify, I added the file here. Now run the program. The output from the model is that this is a poster in the image. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can use the IBM Granite Vision model to perform all these image related work. So let me explain you the code first. So from the transformer, you need to import auto processor, model for image to text, auto model vision sequence, then PyTorch PIL for reading the image. This is for setting the device. CUDA if the torch is available, else the CPU. The model path is, then we need to call the auto processor dot from pre-trained, and then this is the model path. So download the model and we will load the model. Auto model for vision to sequence from pre-trained model path. Ignore mismatched sizes, and then the two device. So devices here either CPU or GPU. Now we will read the image, then create our prompt. In the prompt we have written what is in the image. So it's going to uh, understand the image and try to tell us what is inside the image. Then this is the conversion. Role is user, content is, the type is image, and this is the image URL, and the prompt is this. Now we are going to processor.apply chat template, conversation, prompt, then tokenize true, read, return dictionary true, then return tensor pt dot to device, and then call the model dot generate, and this is the output. Here we are providing the maximum token 500. You can adjust as per your requirement. Then we are printing the output, processor dot decode output 0 and skip special token true. So going to return the model. So this line is going to return the model. This line is going to return the model output. Now I will show you. Now I will show you what all. Hello. Now I will show you how you can install IBM Granite version 2B model locally. So this is the preview model that we will be installing. Open the Anaconda prompt and go to the directory where you want to install this. So cd IBM Granite. Next, we have to create the Python virtual environment. Conda create -n EIENV and Python 3.11 -y. So it's going to download the required Python libraries for Python 3.11 and create a virtual environment. Now the virtual environment has been created. We can run the command conda activate ei env. So this ei env. Now after running the command conda activate ei env, you can see this ei env appears here, means the ei env environment is activated. Next, have to now we need to clone this environment, clone repository, and this is the command to clone the repository. So git should be installed. Have a git install on your computer. Git clone this environment. Now it is cloning the files. Git is cloned. Git is cloned now and directory Granite version. Git is cloned now and you can Granite. Next step is call the list transformer. Command is pip install git plus transformer is installed. The Granite directory. Now we need to install these required files. Now we need to add pip install torch vision audio IO. So installation is completed and we are ready for program. So our program is sample.py. Copy here directory. Our program is working fine and it generated the output that there is a poster in the image. So in this tutorial, I showed you how to use the IBM Granite Vision model in the Python program. I will provide you the link to the tutorial page in the video description and you can visit that tutorial page and download the source code. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.